Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, you can enjoy beautiful design about crochet and easily get an idea for embroidery. Crochet embroidery keeps your fine motor skills sharp and your mind focused. Some benefits I will share you like reduce anxiety, lower blood pressure, and a decrease heart rate, elevate stress, keep your brain healthy, keep your eyes sharp, be mindful, build confidence, and help the brain recover from injury. So it is very beautiful. Now I will define embroidery. Like embroidery is often seen on traditional costumes for men, women, and children, so as well as on home goods like tablecloths and linens. Embroidery is a traditional craft practiced throughout all of Croatia. So it is beautiful and enjoying these some design. So please like and subscribe your like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.